Hey guys, let's talk about something we've talked about before. You know, Sindoo is a brand that makes headphones, and it seems they are growing popularity because I've done a comparison between the Sindoo and a Lenovo headphone before. So this is another Sindoo headphone, and let's dive it in. This is like the manual. Like I said, like I always say, I'll check this later. This is the charger that's used, the cord, and it's a Type-C cord, which is nice. You can use Type-C. If you are a person that has Type-C phone or a Type-C PC, everything can just match now. This is the auxiliary cord. The auxiliary cord, in order for you to use the headphone jack on the headphone and also on a port, maybe on your laptop or something else. It's very nice. And this is the headphone itself. If you can observe, it looks better than the previous headphone because it's now have a bigger couch inside, which is a lot more soft compared to the other one I got from AliExpress. It's now looking as if AliExpress and Temu are just the same thing but under different names. So this is how it looks. These are the ports under. You can see inside, they'll show you how to wear your left and your right ear. So that means it's supposed to be one like this. The control buttons are supposed to be on the right, which is okay. On the right, we have the power button, we have the volume button, and we have the charging ports. We also have the headphone jack for it, so that you can, and it also have active noise cancellation. So it's also written here. Honestly, I don't know how this works, but ANC with headphones, they are actually good too. But with the price we got this headphone, I believe that the ANC will work. I will show you a picture of how it looks on my ear in the screen. I've checked out the sound. The sounds, the bass, they are strong. They are very, very good. I'll play something so that you will know how it sounds on the speaker. So these are it sounding. These are it is when ANC is on. So with ANC turn up. I'm not seeing any big difference when ANC is turned on or turned off, but I believe maybe there's something happening under the hood, and ANC will make your battery drain faster. I'm sure of that, because sometimes I wonder why headphone companies will give us a future, increase the price because of that future, then take away the battery from it, because this headphone will not be able to do well, like will not last as long as it would if the ANC was off. So that's just one of the problems we have. But aside that, everything still works good. I would prefer this one compared to the previous one we got. This one is very, very neat. It's very, very clean. So till the next video, have a nice day.